name is Melody. Today I'm going to take an OOTD photo. If you are curious about the outfit I'm wearing, watch it until it's finished. Come on! I want to wear clothes with a combination of brown and black. To use it. Yeah, that's great. Next, I want to wear a pink short skirt. Yoo-hoo! I tried to use it. So adorable. Next, I want to wear sneakers. Is what I want. So adorable. I want to wear simple pink earrings. Oh yeah, I want to wear a sling bag. I really like this bag. Next, I want to put on makeup and change my hair. A shadow. Eyeliner. And lipstick. This is me before wearing today's outfit. And yes, here I am after wearing today's outfit.
I'm getting ready for the OOTD photo. I'm getting ready for the OOTD photo.
It looks great here for photos. How beautiful am I wearing this outfit? Hehe. you for watching. If you are curious about my next outfit, keep watching this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.